Hey everyone, I'm Seth Reed at Darwin Perennials, and we are at the Costa Farms Trail down in Miami. And I have for you the 4 best performing varieties for 2024. This Centaurea Silver Swirl is part of our new silver collection. It's a Zone 6 Centaurea, all about the foliage, the exciting silver foliage. The thing about silver, it makes every combination pop with more excitement. You can see here how it looks with some yellow and some red. So this would be a great container item or any border with any colors. This here is Caryopteris Emerald Crest. You might be saying to yourself, wow, look at those blue flowers. What you're noticing is the improvement for this variety. It has brighter blue color and tighter clusters of flowers, allowing you to see it from a bigger distance. Also, you're probably noticing, wow, it's blooming in the spring. Well, this is the Miami effect. So Caryopteris generally blooms in shorter days in the fall, but down here in Miami, when these were started, they're blooming now. The good thing is you get a spring preview of what will be coming this fall. This here is Salvia Silver Scent. You probably cooked with sage, but have you seen flowers for sage? This new variety has the same great herbal capabilities of sage with really nice flowers in spring. We know you're looking for some exciting new items for shade. That's why we've been introducing new Brunnera. Here at the Costa Farm Trials, we have 3 new Brunnera for the market. We have Frostbite, which is a nice tight habit that would look really awesome in a 2.5 quarter 1 gallon. We have our Permafrost that offers larger leaves. And then we have the Frost line with really great venation with a nice little lime edge. 3 new Brunnera for your shade.